GenAI is transforming business processes and workflows, with user interface design likely facing its next AI wave. Multiple customers mean different behavior patterns, which translates to a long list of feature requirements, thus leading to a crowded, inefficient UI design. Why should one design fit all? It's a new day, new tech is paving the way. Introducing GenUI, the era of highly personalized user interfaces could be the future. It might be time to embrace interface design that intuitively adapts in real time based on user goals, behaviors, time of day, location, device type, constraints, and more using GenAI. With GenUI, businesses can craft dynamic, adaptive interfaces tailored to user needs using foundational components like user goals, GenUI models, design system languages, and UI recipes. To a savvy saver logging in on the go, at 10 a.m., the bank can provide information on high-yielding saving schemes, alerts on unusual spendings, and the financial summary at a glance. For the impulsive spender wanting reform, the dashboard can offer advice on smart ways to offset expenses, bill payment reminders, and budgeting features. A cautious investor wanting clarity before ending the day might expect fruitful interactions with GenAI chatbots, use dynamic UI elements like charts and tables for better data understanding, and require readily available customer support. Delivering distinct, personalized experiences to all types of users can lead to highly satisfied customers. At iOro, we see GenUI as a transformative leap in digital interfaces. Can users experience distinct UIs in real time? Will digital consumption change? Join the conversation and share your thoughts on how GenUI might revolutionize our interaction with technology.